Hello guys, we are back with our next lecture. In this lecture, let us go through the next question. Okay, so this question belongs to GATE CSE 2017 set 1 guys. Okay, so the question is consider the following C code. Okay, so the code suffers from which one of the following problem? Okay, so basically from this we are understanding that there is some problem in the code, right? Yes, so let us try running the code and let us understand it guys. Okay, yes, so where exactly the execution will start from a main. Okay, so let us start from here. So int main. Okay, for open bracket, so int star x malloc size of int. So what is the size of int? That much size we are assigning a block to the address, to the pointer x. Okay, so let us assume the int size is 2 bytes guys, that equal to 16 bits in simple words you can say. Okay, so now we created a pointer x. Okay, so it is pointing to something but it's not yet connected to anything. Okay, yes. Okay, so now x is having some location, right? 9000. Okay, so now let us start the code. If null double equal to x, so basically x is having an address, right? Yes, hence it is not equal to null, hence this statement will not be executed, like this return will not be done. Okay, so now what we are doing is assign value x comma 0. Okay, so we are calling this particular function. So what that particular function is doing, so let us check. So we are passing x comma 0. Okay, so you are passing that here, so it is stored in star x. Okay, and int val. Okay, that value is substituted here and x is returned. Okay, so indirectly at the end after returning you will be getting 0, right? That's a simple logic. So you are just substituting the value, this value is stored in your address and that final value is returned back. So that returned value will be stored in your x. So 0 is assigned. Okay, so now you are checking if x. Okay, so basically if x means you are checking whether x value is equals to 0 or greater than 0. Okay, yes. Okay, so what will be return, what will be that here guys? So here it will go with the false, right? Yes, so hence all these statements will be skipped. Okay, yes, so if these statements are executed, what will be the result guys? So if all these statements are executed, you will be getting 10, right? So in x you will substitute 10, right? Yes, so here these are all skipped, so you will be printing a value that is nothing but star x. So what is in x in that location? So what is there guys? So that is nothing but the value 0, right? So 0 will be printed. So at the end you are freeing the space x. Okay, yes, so I think there is no compilation error or any issue with this particular code. So option A and B are wrong guys, so because they are saying compilation error is there. Okay, so now let us check option C and D. Okay, option C is saying that compiles successfully, but execution may result in a dangling pointer. So is there any free pointer guys which is not connected to any address? I think that's not there, right? Hence this option also seems to be not at all correct. So moving on to the last option, compiler successfully executes, but execution may result in memory leak. Okay, so basically when a memory leak will occur guys, so memory leak is that, so assume that you assigned x. Okay, you stored some value. Okay, again you created some value and again you are storing in that location only without freeing it. So this concept is called as a memory leak guys. So if you observe in the code, if you observe carefully, so here we created star x. Okay, again here we are using it to assign the value x. So basically here 2 times you are assigning without freeing the space, right? So here if there is a free statement it's okay, but here it is not there. So this will lead to memory leak guys. So in some situation the code might go inside, right? So at that time you will face this issue. So hence the code is having the memory leak issue guys, right? So I hope everyone got a clear idea, right? So how I am saying and what is memory leak. Okay, so in the next lecture let us continue with the next question. Thank you, thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more awesome videos like this. Thank you.